Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to open an audio or YouTube audio library on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead and open up your YouTube app. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on my profile icon at the below right corner. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead into seeing this is like my profile. Go ahead and click view channel, right? This is your channel, right? You're going to see the three dots at the top, right? Click on it, right? And you're going to see pop-up window. Just go ahead right here and click help and feedback, right? And what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and type in the search box right here audio, right? Audio library. So I'm gonna click right here on the search results and I'm gonna hit share, search. And basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click the first one, or sorry, the second one, which is use music and sound effects from the audio library. Click on it. You can just go ahead and sign in to YouTube Studio, and from the left hand menu select audio library. You can also access the audio library directly at this link. So I'm gonna just click on it, right? Basically that will direct me to the audio library section, and from there I'm gonna be able to see the audio library. All right, so you let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.